All right. Jim Porter Casey on the Grand Slam Plan Adventure Tour. We are now homeward bound. I started hitting a few small hills a few minutes ago, and that made me know I must be close to Georgia. So I went ahead and got the GoPro out, and we'll go ahead and get that. Map says I'll be crossing into Georgia about a quarter of a mile. What a trip it's been, homeward bound. This is the next major landmark. The one thing I had neglected to do was to reserve a rental car in advance, and one reason I did not do that was the variables involved in getting into and out of Key West could have proven to be onerous, and I just didn't want to do that. One more thing that might not have worked out. It did work out, I could have done it, but then the problem is if you don't reserve the rental in advance, then they're all booked. Everybody's got them for Christmas. So anyway, I did take the ferry out of Key West to Fort Myers. That probably shaved off about a couple hundred miles, and then after that took the Amtrak and cut another couple hundred miles. So we're in good stead.